100 plus hours of research, condensed into one single sheet. Today, I'm revealing the complete AI agent blueprint. AI agents follow perception right-pointing arrow decision right-pointing arrow action. Reactive agents respond instantly, like basic chatbots. Cognitive agents maintain context, like a personal AI assistant. Multi-agent systems collaborate, like research teams powered by AI. Memory stores knowledge, short-term for sessions, long-term for persistent context. Tools let agents call APIs or apps. Multi-agent systems allow multiple agents to work together. Agent A, researcher; Agent B, writer; Agent C, analyzer. Here's the exciting part: 50 plus agents you can launch immediately. Productivity: email summarizer, task scheduler. Tip: launch MVP versions first, then improve and scale.